Hello everyone, welcome to your small group. Today we're going to continue practicing with mixed numbers and improper fractions. We are going to talk about the difference between these two today and practice making pictures that represent them and switch between improper fractions and mixed numbers. Because mathematicians know that mixed numbers and improper fractions can be equivalent to each other, and we want to know how to find those equivalent fractions. So, a mixed number always has a whole number plus a fraction that represents the extra pieces that are not quite a whole. An improper fraction represents all of the pieces as the numerator and the amount of pieces in one whole as the denominator, and that numerator is larger than the denominator because it's greater than one whole. So we're going to practice making pictures and switching between the two different types today. So let's go over to Braining Camp and we're going to do one together. And for all of the problems we do today, this red bar is going to be equal to one whole. So we're going to look at 3 2/4, and we're going to model this. We're going to model it using fourth tiles over here. And the reason we're going to do that is because the denominator is 4. So that means each whole is split into fourths. So that means one whole would look like this. Let's see if it's equal to one whole. It is. So here's one whole, but we need 3 wholes. So there's 2 and 3. Now we need to represent the 2/4 part. That is going to be 2 yellow squares. So 1 and 2. Now to find the improper fraction, we're going to count the total amount of tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 total tiles here. So that becomes our numerator. The denominator is how many pieces fit in one whole. And I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in one whole. So 14/4 is that mixed number. So today you're going to practice with me with 3 more. Your job is going to be to first make a picture of the improper fraction or mixed number. Then you will need to determine what mixed number or which improper fraction is equivalent. So you will need either your math toolkit that you took home with you at the beginning of the year, or you will need Braining Camp open on a split screen in your iPad with this video. Your last choice is to use paper. So you can use paper strips or paper and pencil to make these fractions. So with those 3 choices, I want you to help me start this one to the right. 15/8. You're going to first make a picture of 15/8 using whatever tool you have available. Once you've done that, I want you to enter what you think the mixed number is that is equivalent to 15/8. So that's a whole number plus the fraction of extra pieces. Go ahead and type into Play Pause it what you think the mixed number is for 15/8, and we'll check together. Make a picture first to help you. Okay, let's check it together. Now I know in one whole there's 8 pieces because the denominator is 8. So I'm going to get this blue tile and I'm going to make 8 pieces in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is one whole and it's 8/8 because I have 8 pieces. But I need to get to 15/8. So I'm going to get more. There's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there is one whole here. So you should have entered 1 for the whole number, and for the extra pieces, we're going to make a fraction. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total pieces. That's the numerator. And the denominator is how many pieces are in one whole, which is 8. So our answer is 1 7/8 for the mixed number. If you got it, awesome. If not, we're going to practice some more. So keep thinking through how you can find the mixed number improper fraction that's equal and make that picture, because that picture helps you convert between those improper and mixed numbers. So here's the next one, 1 3/5. Make a picture of 1 3/5, and then in play posit, enter what you think the improper fraction is that's equivalent to 1 3/5. Once you do that, you'll be able to check with me. Okay, so the denominator is 5. That means there's 5 pieces in one whole. So I know I'm going to get 5 pieces out right away because there's one whole right here. Then I need to get 3 more 5th pieces out because there's 3/5. Okay, here's my picture. Now to find the improper fraction, I need to count the total amount of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. That means my numerator is 8. And my denominator is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because there's 5 pieces in one whole. Last one to practice today. You should have gotten 8/5 for that one. Now we're going to move over to this improper fraction, 17/6. You will need to make a picture of this to help you find the mixed number. Go ahead and do that now and then enter the mixed number you think it is. All right, we know the denominator is 6, so there's going to be 6 pieces in one whole. So we're going to need this piece. And when I put 6 there, that is equal to 1 whole. So here's 6/6, but I need to get to 17/6. So I'm going to add more 6 pieces. There's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I need more to get to 17, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So I have 17/6 represented. Remember, with a mixed number, I'm going to have a whole number. So there's 2 wholes, plus a fraction for the extra pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the numerator, and there's 6 pieces in one whole, so 5/6. If you are still having troubles with this, it's okay. We're going to keep working on it when we get back to class. If you're doing well with this, awesome. We're going to make it even more challenging for you when we return to class. We're going to take it to the next level. We're so excited that you were able to have small group online today, and we look forward to being with you in person so that we can continue working on this. It's really important to think about the difference between an improper fraction and mixed number and be able to make a picture that represents those so that you can find the opposite equivalent fraction or mixed number. Awesome work today. Go ahead and move to the next part of your day by clicking the next button below. See you there.